Hey fam, my name is Rich from Ultra Fade Hair Salon, and today we're using a new product called Epres. It's a bond repairing agent, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it works. So Epres is very easy to use, guys. For every ounce you use 2 pumps. There is 4 ounces in here, so I'm gonna pump it 8 times. Okay fam, so this is Christine here. She recently went blonde around 6 months ago. Her natural hair is a very dark brown, and now she's a level 10 through the end. So you know that her hair is super damaged. I've used previous bond builders in the past on Christine, so I'm super excited to see how Epres works on her hair. Today we'll be refreshing Christine's blonde hair, adding Epres in the color. So let's see how this goes. Unlike other bond builders, Epres is acid free. So what that means, it doesn't slow down the processing time and will still give you amazing repair results. Anytime you're using chemical service in a salon that needs deep repair, you can use Epres. The great thing about Epres is that it works on all types of hair. Because Epres is acid free, it does not mess with your color formula. Okay fam, so after using this treatment, before shampooing Christine's hair, I can feel that it was very, very rough, super knotty, and it felt like a bit stringy through the ends. So now that the treatment is rinsed off nicely, I didn't use any leave-in products at all. I didn't do any treatment besides just conditioner. Major difference on how smooth it felt while I was just drying the hair off. First of all, it was so simple. It was just a one step where I just put that in the color. Gives an amazing shine, as you can see. And it feels super soft too. So I'm so impressed with this product itself and very happy with the end results.